Okay, so let's get into it. We are doing a deep dive on a really fascinating piece of pro hardware today. It's the PureLink VIP-CAM-100 NDI PTZ camera.
Right.
And I think our mission here is to, cut through all the technical jargon, the alphabet soup of NDI, RTSP, SDI, all that stuff, and explain not just what the features are, but really why this camera was built the way it was.
Well, and that's a great place to start because the whole spec sheet is really framed by one very specific design choice. This camera was made as and this is their term, a customized isolation solution for a fiber optical signal transmission.
That's the key right there. That's the core
Yeah.
differentiator, isn't it?
It is,
It
exactly.
suggests this camera is meant for places where, security and immediate control are just paramount.
Exactly.
The sources say you can actually cut the signal transmission from the network just by sending a serial command, or even just by disconnecting the power adapter.
Yeah, which is a pretty serious feature. It tells you this is for mission-critical use cases.
Absolutely. So that sets the stage. Let's talk movement. The PTZ, the pan, tilt, zoom.
Right, and this isn't just basic movement. It's designed for really advanced precision and reliability.
And the reach is.
Yeah.
It's just extraordinary. I mean, we're looking at a 20x high-performance optical zoom, but then...
And that's before you even get to the digital zoom.
Exactly. You layer that 12x digital zoom on top, and you get this staggering 240x total zoom.
Just think about that for a second. If you need to see the fine print on a document across a huge auditorium or capture tiny details from a secure spot, that 240x zoom gets you there.
And the physical range is just as flexible. It pans, 340 degrees total, from -170 to +170.
Yep, and it has a really useful tilt range, too, from -30 up to +90 degrees.
Which brings up the presets. It has 256 presets. Why would anyone need that many? I mean, it feels like overkill.
You'd think so, but not in a complex venue. Imagine a stadium or a courtroom.
Oh, okay.
Those 256 presets let an operator jump instantly between, say, different speakers or specific points of interest with perfect accuracy every time.
Right, that makes sense. And to get a clear image at that crazy 240x distance, you need a really, really sensitive sensor. What's driving the visuals here?
So we're looking at a high-quality 12.8-inch Exmor CMOS sensor. And what's really critical is its performance in low light. It goes down to 0.5 lux in color and just 0.1 lux in black and white.
So even in a dimly lit room or
Yeah.
with changing stage lights, you're still getting a clear image.
A clear image, yeah, all the way up to 1080p at 60 frames per second.
Okay, let's switch to outputs. This camera seems built to bridge the old and the new, right? Traditional broadcast and modern IP.
It really is. You've got your standard HDMI, your 3G-SDI, and then the IP outputs like RTSP and RTMP.
So the 3G-SDI is for those pro environments where you need to run a super long cable.
Exactly. HDMI just can't handle those distances with the same signal integrity. And then RTMP lets you stream directly to the web.
But the real standout for networking has to be the NDI-HX output. For anyone who isn't familiar, what's the big deal with NDI?
Oh, NDI-HX is crucial.
Yeah.
It lets you send this high-quality video signal anywhere on a standard computer network. But it uses way less bandwidth than uncompressed video. So it makes integration into existing IT infrastructure, seamless.
And it handles a bunch of users at once, too.
Yep, dual streaming, up to 10 simultaneous users, and it uses modern H.265 compression to keep that network load manageable.
Last thing, control. How do you actually manage all these precise movements?
It uses all the industry standards, VISCA, Pelco-P, Pelco-D.
So any professional joystick or control panel will just work with it.
Pretty much. And it supports daisy chain over RS-232 and RS-485, so you can link a bunch of them together and control them all from one spot. Super useful for big installs.
So when you put it all together, what's the big takeaway?
I think you're looking at an incredibly flexible, high-zoom camera.
Right. It's built not just for great picture quality, but for total operational resilience.
It has that robust traditional connectivity with SDI, but also the modern efficiency of NDI-HX. It's a workhorse.
But it all comes back to that first point we made, doesn't it?
It does, that unique architecture.
Why give a camera this powerful the ability to instantly go dark, to completely isolate its video feed with a simple command, or by pulling the plug?
Exactly. The design choice points directly to environments where a security breach is not an option, where unauthorized surveillance has to be stopped instantly.
So it leaves you with this question to think about. What are the highest security applications this camera is really designed for? Something to mull over next time you see a PTZ camera out in the wild.